Okay guys, we are on lesson 2, task 5. Create a program and store the following values in suitable variables with appropriate data types. These are the values we are looking at. Okay, so they're the variable names: age, height and weight, 13 years old, 1.4 meters and 55 kilograms. And then we need to print all of this off in like a sentence, if you like, in a statement. So we're going to go ahead and do this together, and you guys can follow along and then implement this in your programs. So I'm just going to put it side by side. So I've got my line numbers, hashtag. I'm just going to call it sequence program using variables because it's what we're learning about. I'm just going to start with a variable called age. Age equals 13. Height equals 1.4. Put some meters in and so on. I'm just putting the values in. Weight equals 55. 55 kg. I'm not going to type in kg because it's going to throw me an error. When we do this, remember we need to assign appropriate data type. So the first one is going to be my int data type. Brackets around 13. So remember, int is a whole number. Just remember what it is, whole numbers for int. The next one is 1.4. So what data type is that? Decimal, so I'm going to type in float before it. You can't put it as float as well because someone might want to put in 55.5 for example, so I'm just going to leave it as a float again. So I've got my age, height. If I run this program, remember when I press F5 to run it, I'll just do the long cut again. So when I run this, I'm going to save it in that same OneDrive Year 8 programming. I'm going to call this lesson 2. So it's lesson 2 and it's called sequence variables. When I run it, nothing happens, right? Here it is. It's run sequence of variables. That's what I've called it. Nothing actually gets outputted. So I'm going to do that again. Nothing gets outputted because I haven't used a print statement. If you go ahead and just copy this line here, so I'm just going to copy and paste this in, but be careful when you copy and paste it in. Sometimes these little quotation marks don't appear as they should. So you need to go in and fix them. We're going to make sure that we got print here properly. So print, yep. Change all these quotation marks. I don't think they've copied over correctly. Stretch that a bit. So all I'm doing is deleting and putting my own quotation. When you copy and paste, it doesn't appear correctly. So if I run this now, it should print out UR 13 and our height, which is 1.4 meters tall, and then it's and our weight, which the weight is 55 kg. So let's have a go at this. You are 13 and are 1.4 meters tall and are 55.0 kgs. The reason why that was 0.0 is because I'm using a float data type here. So that's absolutely fine. So if you just match up what I've just typed in, so there's my code. I'm going to put it below. Let's drag this down a bit. All right. So this is my actual code I've typed in. And then this is the line I get out. So this is what you're aiming for. So there you go. Thank you very much for watching.